Decades of placing all bets in the gaming sector brought Macao's GDP crashing when COVID-19 hit. The city has long talked about diversifying its economy to align with China's ambitious Greater Bay Area project. In the first of a three-part series, Deborah Wong finds out what the city must do to meet its goals.
Macao, the only place on Chinese soil where gambling is legal, made US $36 billion in gaming revenue in 2019. Now that accounts for over half of the city's GDP. But when the pandemic hit in 2020, casino closures sent revenue plunging by 30%. The city now wants non-gaming ventures to account for 60% of its GDP, so casino operators must now invest in such projects under new licensing rules. And it's going big on conferences as well as exhibitions, just like this 3-day tech expo here at luxury hotel The Venetian, that's meant to draw some 20,000 attendees from across the world. The Venetian, for instance, one of the hotels under Sands China Limited, has pledged to spend 93% of new investment on non-gaming projects. So recruitment and training now take priority on that front over traditional gaming roles.
It's a competitive environment, and I think it's a competitive region, and people is going to be the difference makers. We have a Sands Academy where we've been educating both in retail and in procurement for years, and we just added on MICE Academy. So this way we're able to, expose them to the global MICE industry trends, practical training as well, because we do see that as a big challenge, obviously, to keep up with these Hong Kongs and Shanghais and Bangkoks and all these in our region. We've got to have the best people.
The city is also hedging its bets by developing its suite of financial services to bolster support in the Greater Bay Area. It recently launched the MicroConnect Macao Financial Assets Exchange, which offers funding for small Chinese businesses hoping to expand. With a population of less than 1 million, Macao is the smallest among the 9 Chinese cities in the Greater Bay Area. Shortage of quality manpower is an issue. In 2020, the International Monetary Fund found that only 14% of the workforce outside the gaming sector were high-skilled.
I think what Macao did in the past is like when they actually tried to train people for the casino demands. I think that for now they should actually put more resources to actually train the financial people. Asset management classes like general knowledge in equities, fixed income, forex, commodity, alternative real estate. I mean, anything generalist is fine because they're foundation of the talent pool.
Schools are now starting to offer a broader spectrum of courses, such as in AI and fintech.
We identified some emerging industries with the policy address released by the Macao government, and we have also consulted some industry experts. Job opportunities of these emerging industries are still in some very early or nascent stage. So what we can do is we plan ahead. We think that the emerging industries continue to mature, job opportunities will continue to grow.
Applications are still coming in, but the university says reception has been promising so far. Macao was earmarked under the Greater Bay Area plan to become an international innovation and technology hub. Though the city still has a long runway to get there, it's better late than never. Deborah Wong, CNA, Macao.